I want to look at using the enthalpy of formation of substances to find the enthalpy change during reactions. And the reaction that we're going to look at today is this one, the calcium carbonate solid reacting to form calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. The relationship that we're going to use is that the enthalpy of a reaction equals the enthalpy of the sum of the enthalpy of formation of all of the products minus the sum of the enthalpy of formation of all of the reactants. And that includes the coefficients. So we have to take into account whether there's a 1 or a 2 or whatever before all of our reaction components. We can find these heat of formation values in tables like the one in our textbook, and I've got the values here. And when we plug those into our equation, what we're going to find is this. You'll notice I put the 1s in front of all of these numbers just to emphasize the fact that we do need to multiply by the coefficients. So if there were a 2 in front of the calcium oxide, I'd be multiplying negative 635.5 by the 2 in my equation. Obviously, since there's only a 1 here, it doesn't mathematically make a difference, but I put the 1 in there just to emphasize the fact that I do need to consider the coefficients. When I plug into my equation and do my math, I find that the enthalpy of this reaction is 178.1 kilojoules per mole.